Hey mamas, this is Stephanie, founder of Moms Wear Capes. I'm gonna teach you how I just took 3 clients and absolutely made their businesses go boom in the last month of my life. So one client, she owns a retail store. It's a fantastic little store. She's had it for 10 years and it's not growing, it's not scaling, it's not making the money that she wants or deserves. So here's what we did. We found out that this woman is traveling really far away, actually organizing people's houses to obtain items that she's going to consign in her store. We found out that there is a person who dominates the market in the town that she wants to get items from, and he is someone we're going to partner with to get 10% revenue back to him from the items that he ships down to her. Now she's saving about 10 to 12 hours a week that she would be organizing people's closets, and she's having stuff shipped to her. She's gonna get, in our estimation right now, 4 times the items to sell, which means she's increasing her highest ticket item by 4 times with less work in her business. This is a phenomenal way that you can scale your business. Find someone who's already doing some of the hard stuff, give them a small cut to get that work done for you. Scale your business up. We cannot take this woman and make her work 48 additional hours a week, but we can get her 4 times the revenue by making strategic partnerships. Here's the second business that I've revolutionized. I took a woman, she has an incredible mommy blog. She talks about everything from strollers to baby items, etc., etc. You've seen them. There's about 30,000 of them on the internet, probably more. And so what we did was I said, you know what? You are a phenomenal, amazing, interesting person. You've lived in your town for 40 years. Let's talk about your superpower. When I talked with this woman, her name is Stacy. I talked with this woman, Stacy, about her superpower, and I found out that she is the most highly connected person in her town. Everyone knows her, and coincidentally, her reputation is flawless. Everybody loves her and her children. So I said, Stacy, I love that you're a mommy blogger and it's great if you want to scale your business nationally, but what can we do right here in our town to start making more money on your blog today? Coincidentally, the blog has more followers than any other local business on social media. So we changed her blog model, which was not making money, to an advertising agency model. This was another phenomenal way I was able to help a business that has not made very much money in 10 years take a woman, a mother's beautiful superpower and scale it into something that can make more money than she ever imagined. The third business that I've been able to scale just this month was another client of mine. Her name is Amber. Amber has a phenomenal talent. She's a doctor, and what we were able to do for Amber was take her business, which was education, online information product, which is fine. And we were able to find out that if she stopped trying to take 100 clients a month and just worked on getting 3 clients, she can charge them $3,500 each to do one-on-one coaching. We focused on the outcome. We can heal you from chronic back pain in just 30 days. We can heal you forever. We've done it for ourselves and we're going to do it for you. So we focused on higher ticket items. Instead of a $47 product, she's going to take clients at $3,500 per person. She's going to make 10 grand a month, only taking 3 clients a month. And most importantly, instead of a $47 ebook that no one's really going to read, she's going to walk people through and create real results with her product. Now, her $47 ebook with all these results is going to be a lead magnet for high ticket clients. How can you take your business today and charge higher prices for more results for your clients? This is perhaps the most important video you'll ever watch in your business. So I want you to reach out to us, support@momswearcapes.com, and we can talk about more ways together that you can work through making more money in your business in our 12-week masterclass. It's only 15 minutes of videos a day, a little bit of a worksheet, and a lot of community with Mom Tribe like me, like Stacy, like Amber, and like other moms who are rocking love and life. Can't wait to see you there.